In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Recruit for beginners. Whether you're stepping into the world of recruitment software or simply exploring new tools to enhance your hiring process, Zoho Recruit is a great platform to start with, offering a host of features that cater to both recruiters and hiring managers. To begin, let's navigate to the Zoho Recruit homepage. Once there, you'll find a streamlined dashboard that serves as the central hub for all your recruitment activities. It's here where you'll manage different elements of the hiring process through the various options available. Next, click on the Job Openings tab. This section is where you can post new job openings or view existing ones. It's a dynamic area that allows you to organize all your job listings, ensure they're up to date, and track their progress. It's essential for managing the details of each position you're hiring for. Moving on, if you navigate to the Candidates tab, you'll find a space dedicated to managing all the candidates who've applied for your jobs. Here you can view resumes, sort candidates by qualifications, and track the interview process. This functionality helps maintain an orderly database of potential hires, making it easier for you to find the right fit for your roles. Now, let's click on the Interviews tab. This is where you can schedule, conduct, and review interviews with candidates. The feature ensures that all your interviews are organized systematically, making it easy for you to manage several candidates at once without losing track of important details. After mastering interviews, head over to the Clients tab. This is particularly useful if you're involved in agency recruiting. The Clients section allows you to manage information about the organizations you're recruiting for, keeping all client communications and requirements in one convenient spot. Adjacent to Clients, the Contacts tab is where you record and manage all the contacts you've collected, such as hiring managers, HR personnel, or other stakeholders. Keeping organized contacts means you can reach out to the right person quickly when needed. Next, the Campaigns tab offers you a platform to manage recruitment marketing campaigns. If you're looking to cast a wide net when searching for candidates, this feature helps you track the effectiveness of your outreach strategies. As you proceed, you might also explore the Zoho Marketplace, where you can integrate additional apps and extensions to expand Zoho Recruit's capabilities, customizing it to better suit your needs. For in-depth analysis, you can turn to the Analytics tab, providing you with insights and metrics regarding your hiring processes. Use these reports to streamline operations and improve efficiency over time. Lastly, the Forecast tab offers predictive insights to help you anticipate recruitment trends or needs. It's a proactive way to manage your recruitment pipeline, ensuring you're prepared for future talent acquisition challenges. Altogether, Zoho Recruit is an intuitive and comprehensive tool that supports every facet of the recruiting process, ensuring you're well equipped to meet your hiring goals efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy recruiting!